So hello everyone, let's start. Now me and Camila will tell you about Google Forms, what it is for, advantages and disadvantages, and actually how to use it and how to communicate. So let's start. Can you see? Google Form, as you can see, is an online service for creating feedback forms, online tests, and services. The tool is popular, but the full range of its capabilities is rarely used. In this article, I'll tell you when and what Google Forms comes in handy and how to get the most out of them. Every form in Google Forms is a web page that hosts a questionnaire or quiz. All you need to work with Forms is to have a Google account. You may need Google Forms too. I will show you some pictures of Google Forms. Logotype. So, you may need to Google Forms too. Open online registration for the events, organize an online research, ask questions and suggest answers, or leave the answer fields empty for comments. Create the brief. This is one of options for pulling colleagues or those invited to an event. Take a vote, for example, choose a topic or a time for coherence, clarify the other details, collect feedback after the event. You can send a mail into the already collected database of contacts by asking the necessary questions. Why Google Forms are useful? First of all, it is easy to use. Working with Google Forms is no more difficult than working with Microsoft Word. The interface is user-friendly and straightforward. There is no need to download the form, send it to your clients, and receive a completed form from them by email. The second one is availability 24/7. The form is stored in the cloud. If you work from different devices or your hard drive is damaged, the form will remain available if there is a link. Individual design. You can create your own design for the form. Google Forms allows you to choose a template for a large number or available templates for free, or upload your own. And the last one is free. The service itself is free. You will have to pay only if you suddenly need an extended version or additional add-ons. So the next I will tell you about advantages and disadvantages. So, start. Advantages and disadvantages. What about advantages of Google Forms? It is free online tool that allows you to collect information easily and efficiently. With Google Forms, you can create a service in few minutes to ask your clients or collaborations information about your product or service. To start using this tool, you need only a Google account, the same one you need to access Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive. The interface is very easy to use. Any user with an average internet knowledge can create forms using this tool. The assistant is simple to use. What you see is what you get in the interface. Makes it easy to drag or drop form elements and organize them based on actions or events. At a design level, it is possible to choose between a palette or of colors as well as your image as a background. Google Form stores our feedback received so we can analyze it in detail. And we can send the form by email, integrate it into our website and send the link via social networks or any others means. And what about disadvantages? Disadvantages it is necessary to have internet to be able to use this tool. The second one, design customization, is very limited. Advanced users can change the design to use the tool with a greater number of purposes. There are some security concerns. The user has to create a good password and protects it to create a level of security. Now I told you about what it is Google Forms, what it is for, advantages and disadvantages of Google Forms, and now we can start to create new Google Form. First of all, to start using Google Forms, you must have a Google Drive and an account on Gmail. So if you don't have an account, type in search engine Gmail, register, create it, and use it. As you can see, on my Gmail is here. Yes, so now, as you can see, through the Google Chrome browser and applications, you can go to Google Drive. Google Drive. Yes. The next, you can create a new Google Form. Like create form and new Google Form. After which you will create a new file, and now Camila will show you how to create this form. Yes. Sorry.
So, as Siama said, I'm going to show you how to create a form. So, to create, it takes a bit time. So, this is our new form. In the upper right corner, we have 3 icons. It is the theme, the viewing, and the customization. So, for the name that we want to write, we're going to write like the name of our... я запуталась! Form name that we want to write. For example, we want to create a customer survey form for registering a makeup course. Like, we are going to write like the basic training course in makeup. So here we have a description. We can write here the motivational text for the customers, like get better with us. So then we are going to ask the questions. So the first question is going to be like your name. We need to know the name of our customer. I'm sorry. And here we have the line. We click. And at the bottom of each question, we have the line like recurrent question here. And we mark it if the field for the answer is required, like this, the name, then the second questions, we click to the plus to have the second question. The second question is the phone number, like your phone number. Again, we click to the line and the current question, again plus the mail address. Again, line, current question. So here we have the main questions, and to make the visitor understand what he or she is dealing with, we can add a description for our Google form. We can make it here. So we're going to copy our text and insert here. So again, and insert here. So this is our description. We put it for the first line. And then we can deal with the video from the YouTube here. We can make the URL. We are going to copy the address of the video. And insert. So we got it. And the name, we can write like watch video. Watch the video. So we got it. And here we have the name, the description, the video, and the question, the main questions. So let's choose the theme of our form with the color. I like this one, like a red color, and our phone like this or this. And let's choose the Schrift. I like this one, official, like, yeah. So then what we are going to do is to see the total. You need just to click on the view here. So this is a total. That this is how the survey will look in the end. Here our customer sees the title, the description, the video to preview, and here he can leave his name like this, the phone number like this, and the email address. It can be just and we send it, and then and then We click here and we have one answer. That is our answer. We need to create a table. To save the responses, here, create. With this table, we can see who completed the survey, who answered to our questions, and also we can call our customers. We can see the day, the name, the phone number, the full list of our customers. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.